Hi, welcome to 3F Method. I'm Clem Kelleher, clinical hypnotherapist, psychologist, and health coach. This course is designed for you if you are a teenager, struggling with anxiety or having difficulty with school, studying, or in social situations. Here I introduce you to the 3F Method, designed to help you with these challenges. If you follow this course carefully, it will help you to stop panic attacks, reduce anxiety, eliminate overwhelm, and provide the psychological tools that you need to cope. School is a challenging environment, and this time in your life can be just as challenging. But if you give this course your best shot, it will help you. It'll help you stay in school, it'll help you keep anxiety from getting in your way, and it'll help you to stay in control of your future. Most importantly, this course will help to ensure that anxiety doesn't hold you back from learning, from friendships, from enjoying life the way you should. I will guide you through a 3-step method to help you understand and manage anxiety and to do it more effectively than you have before. A lot more effectively, hopefully. What is anxiety anyway? Anxiety is often misunderstood. Many people, including health professionals, see anxiety as a thinking problem, where negative thoughts create distress. One of the things about your anxiety that if you were asked to describe your anxiety, one of the first things you'd probably talk about is your negative thinking. And you've heard all this before. But the truth is, anxiety isn't just thoughts. Anxiety is an emotional response to something in your environment, something your mind detects in your environment, but that you are not aware of. So your brain picks up a subtle signal and responds to it physically, and suddenly you feel anxious. But because you don't see anything obvious or any reason for feeling the way you're feeling, it feels like your body is reacting for no reason, which is frightening. And that's what makes anxiety feel so confusing and so overwhelming. Why the 3F method works is because alongside whatever therapy you're doing, whatever counseling you're doing, or if you're not doing therapy or counseling, maybe you're just Googling or checking the government health websites for techniques, and you've got alternative thinking techniques, and you've got breathing techniques and all that. This 3F method works really well alongside whatever you're doing. If we use talk therapy, for example, which is, if you haven't done it, it's like talking to a teacher, talking to a parent, talking to someone that you trust, a friend possibly. Talk therapy helps you process emotions and develop strategies to keep going forward. But the 3F method approaches anxiety from a very different angle. It helps you to reorganize, to focus on and identify the subtle triggers behind your anxiety. By combining both approaches, you're not just managing anxiety, you're understanding it at its very core. This gives you the tools to respond in a way that puts you back in control. This course uses 2 simple guided hypnotherapy techniques, along with other psychological tools to help you. And what it does, it uncovers what's triggering your anxiety and helps you to respond more effectively without panic or nausea or overwhelm. And hypnotherapy is simple. It allows you to listen to your own mind on a level that talking or counseling simply cannot reach. It helps you to recognize what's on your mind, what your mind is actually responding to, what's happening around you that's triggering these anxious feelings. The reason why I'm using hypnotherapy here, and why hypnotherapy is so effective, is that it teaches you how to listen to your feelings in the most effective way. So in this program, in this course, I introduce you to 2 techniques that I've developed specifically for this course. The 3Fs technique is the first one, and the second one is called the overwhelm refocus technique. These 2 hypnotherapy techniques are very different, so that you can have multiple ways to approach your anxiety. So which one works best will depend on you and your specific situation. Both can work equally well, or it can depend on what you're going through any given day. But both techniques provide a deep insight into your subconscious or unconscious mind, helping you to understand what's triggering your anxious feelings. So what makes these specific techniques so special is that, firstly, they're very simple to use, they're completely safe, and they're designed to help you listen more clearly to what you feel and understand why you feel it. That's it. All they're doing is helping you to listen to yourself. That's it. But it's done in a very specific way. So at their core, these techniques, they don't change you. They simply help you to understand yourself better. By learning to listen to yourself, you gain control. And that control changes everything.